corn ribs are finally done. Let's give it a try. All right, let's see what all the hype's all about. Nicely cooked, beautiful colors. As soon as I put some of that green onion on top of this, you could smell like roasted onions coming out, and it just, oh, moment of truth. Let's give this a try. Cheers. We got something going on here. That's different. Different in a good way, though. Damn. That's delicious. I definitely will be making this again for sure. I could taste the brown sugar coming through. That paprika gives it a nice smoke taste, and it just, oh, it smells so good too. It gives off this smoky, sweet. I can definitely see this as being a crowd pleaser. Well, that's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to like and follow. Don't forget to share. Till next time, peace.